Letter-sound correspondence activities in ALL focus on the ability to associate a letter with the sound it represents. I will share how the activity runs in targets-only mode, then describe the other instructional modes, prompts, and acquisition. Let's start a session.
Ag, up, ub, n, as in ub, as in ag, as in ant.
Though T was the target, did you notice that A was also a target? ALL adds previously acquired letters to keep this from becoming a matching activity. Based on your students' needs, you can change to full instruction mode, in which ALL provides instructions, prompts, and feedback. Or you can provide instruction yourself in teacher-assisted mode. ALL will show you an answer key on the screen to help, and scripts are available for this instructional mode in the ALL user manual. Select Practice if you don't want to record data during a session. And turn game mode on or off in your student's profile depending on what will best support your students' engagement and learning. Now that you've seen the activity and learned about the other instructional modes and prompts, let's move on to acquisition. The skill overview in teacher mode will show you your student's progress in acquiring this skill. It will be acquired when the student achieves 8 of 10 correct twice in a row for each letter. More information is available about acquisition in our History and Reports video. Let's review. Letter-sound correspondence focuses on associating letters with the sounds they represent. Conduct the activity in the default targets-only mode, or change to another mode. Use the skill overview and History and Reports to review progress. For more information, take a look at our other help resources in Help and Tutorials.